What's that? All you have to do is drive forward. No, go back further. Go back further. You're so close, dude. Yo. Hey, shut up. We're doing a YouTube video. Excuse me, mister.
Alright.
Not too bad. Dude, what's that? Are you a happy camper? He's gonna try to wheelie it already? They don't got power for that. Yeah, that's what I thought. He's happy. Dude, what's that blue thing? I can't even see blue. Dude, I can't even see blue. Wait, let out the clutch. Then first. It doesn't even stall? What? Oh, dude, it's just crawler. It's a freaking crawler. Yeah, just don't.
At least put the freaking airbox on. There's like stuff in there from the fire extinguisher.
From the fire extinguisher. Must you make noise when we're trying to freaking record? When it caught on fire, they sprayed the fire extinguisher, and the white stuff, they shot it out all over the fire. And guess what it did? It put out the fire, but it's all in the airbox. That thing rips. Try again. Really? Yeah, do that again. More three-wheeler wheelies? Like we didn't have enough of that in our first video? What'd you do to the Kawasaki?
I cleaned the carb and drained the gas, and now it runs.
Heck yeah. Oh! You good, buddy? I shouldn't be laughing. You okay? Oh my god. Hey, I got down a video. Are you proud?
Yeah. I did something.
Yeah, he made content. He finally made content. That was a nice drift, dude. What happened to that thing? Did he just roost that car? Whoa! He's sending it, dude. Hey, like father, like son, except his works. I thought you were gonna wreck in that wheelie.
Did you see that?
Yeah. We definitely gotta pull that carb apart. All right, don't die, Mason.
I'd be holding. I forgot I have sex.
Popper and chat, right? First time this kid's been on a dirt bike. Let's see what happens. Gotta get a feel for it. You're that short? Is he just gonna send it on the jump right away?
Probably.
How can you jump the scooter but not a dirt bike? There you go, he's learning. What is it?
A piece of shit. Oh, shoot.
Okay, no, I know it's a Suzuki, but what is it?
A 1990 RM 125
Amen, baby.
with a friggin'
One that works.
FMF Gold Series pipe with
Wow.
a shorty silencer. Friggin' Maxxis tires.
Yo, the silencer part doesn't work.
Yeah.
Dude, your Suzuki 125 found its spark. Mine didn't.
Yeah. So hold this for me.
Shut up.
So does mine.
Dude, all of you wearing Paul D. Mason with the new bike.
Dude, I wonder how well.
Mason got a new bike.
felt that.
Oh, in the corn. It sucks not. I think you need some front brakes on that, dude. Dude, what happened? Why is there a dent?
I took it for a ride in the horse field. Dude, I forgot there was no brakes in the front.
There's no front brakes.